Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After that, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here you should see the brightness icon, the one with the sun on it. Tap on the brightness icon and now you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider, like this. Once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the brightness by, or rather through settings. To do it, wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on display option, then tap on brightness. And now you should see the brightness slider again. Adjust the brightness by swiping on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.